Greetings from Malaysia. I am S. Kaveri, Director of Jasa Care Sdn Bhd. Today, I am so overwhelmed in receiving this Women Icon Award for Women Entrepreneur of the Year. I would like to take this great opportunity to say thank you and record my sincere appreciation to the organizing and selection committee of Women Icon, which is powered by Times Women and World Women Council, for recognizing the awarding this honor to me. Thank you very much.
I'm S. Kaveri Subramaniam, Director of Jasa Care Sdn Bhd, an entrepreneur, author, speaker, and Law of Attraction certified trainer by Global Sciences Foundation, US, is known for my theories on transformation through Law of Attraction in living a happier, healthier, and wealthier life over the last 20 years. I am 47, holds a degree in business administration, and had once worked at Tan Tock Seng Hospital, Singapore as an administrator. In the year 2004, I've joined Tasly Malaysia Sdn Bhd, a Malaysian branch of a leading global company in the modernized traditional Chinese medicine industry, as a distributor and stockist. Together with my husband, I devoted the business expansion of Tasly pharmaceutical healthcare product range in this region. Over the following 15 years, we have successfully transacted few hundred millions ringgit Malaysia sales turnover using the network marketing platform. Following our outstanding performance, dedication and tenacity, Tasly Group awarded us exclusive distributorship status of the core health supplement products to Jasa Care Sdn Bhd, a company co-founded with my husband. Currently, I am managing the supply chain of pharmaceutical healthcare products and Tasly traditional Chinese medicine products to various pharmacy chain outlets and wellness outlets throughout the country. With a branded and high-quality herbal supplement product range, Jasa Care has reached out to millions of households, bringing good health and wellness to mankind. Jasa Care's international business expansion over the last decade has created many new business opportunities and affiliations globally, namely in Southeast Asia and Asia regions. Apart from that, I've also co-founded Way to Success Resources, an enrichment center providing trainings and seminars for entrepreneurs and personal development programs. Using the principles of integrity, responsibility and enriching as the maxim, Way to Success Resources has transformed thousands of people to living more confident with a balanced life. For the socially displaced members of the society, our corporate social programs with objective to uplift individuals and families over the last 10 years has manifested and transformed many to becoming successful and responsible individuals. I've also been actively involved in humanitarian and peace work for the past 11 years together with my husband, working with leading global spiritual masters with involvement of corporate personalities and government bodies under the Ministry of Women, Family and Community Development. My success journey was no coincidence, nor did it come on a silver platter. As any ordinary working person who comes from a village background, I had quite the opposite engineering happening within myself through the mentoring and guidance by my beloved husband and many spiritual masters known to us personally. I pursued to break the barriers and achieved extraordinary success, as well as transforming people around me to becoming more confident and enterprising young entrepreneurs. The awards and accolades received was I was awarded with the Pingat Jasa Kecemerlangan Masyarakat PMC Community Service Medal of Excellence in 2007 by the Negeri Sembilan Royalty Malaysia, conferred with the Excellent International Women's Entrepreneurship Award in 2011 by Global Organization for People of Indian Origin GOPIO for my commitment and contributions in women's affairs towards nation building. I was also conferred with Pingat Khidmat Jasa Kebaktian Excellent Service and Social Responsibility Award and commissioned as Assistant Commissioner of RELA Malaysia, People's Voluntary Corps by the Malaysian Ministry of Home Affairs. Having achieved significant milestones in my business, adopting the principles of Law of Attraction, I took on more expanded roles in providing mentoring to the society, especially women from various backgrounds in need of guidance to improve their financial, emotional and progressive status. I subsequently authored a captivating real-life experience book titled Law of Attraction. the principles and practices. This pocket book version has helped thousands of people to enhance their lifestyle using the success practices as a daily habit in manifesting their goals. I have regular invitation by corporate organizations, NGOs and schools from Malaysia, India and Bangladesh as a guest speaker to speak on law of attraction and the values in manifesting successful entrepreneurial journey. I am a committee member of Club Rela Kehormat Bersekutu Wilayah Persekutuan, member of Malaysia Crime Prevention Foundation, lifetime member of SWIBA Selangor Wilayah Indian Business Association, and member of MyWebs, Malaysian Organisation for Development of Indian Women in Career, Entrepreneurs and Professionals. Today, I devote my initiatives reaching out to people seeking social enhancement, financial transformation, business knowledge and skills development as well as inner growth. The uniqueness of approach in transformative coaching makes me as an inspiration and role model to thousands. My passion is to support the next generation of social leaders with good health and wealth to serve and uplift humanity by uplifting the society.
Hi, this is Mohan from Malaysia. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Madam Kaveri in receiving a very prestigious Women's Icon Award in 2021. Firstly, I really admire her passion in what she does. She is very, very passionate about the people whom she trains, and she takes the trouble to follow through in ensuring that they achieve their mission that they are being trained for. And apart from that, in her business environment, her acumen and her tenacity in business is something that will definitely be an inspiration to anyone who is associated with her in her business. Therefore, Madam Kaveri, congratulations once again to you and wish you all the very best in your journey.
Hi, I'm Mohana Vijaykumaran. Here I wish to congratulate Madam S. Kaveri for being awarded as a Woman Entrepreneur of the Year by Woman Icon. She's very much deserved for this award, where she has been a role model for many women out there through her unique qualities of dedication towards her work, responsibility, daringness and of course her cuteness. And I personally transformed myself and my lifestyle by attending her courses, trainings, webinars that she conducted, especially under the topic of law of attraction. I really feel proud, Madam. Keep inspiring us.
Many things have inspired me throughout my life. But when asked who inspired me the most, how can I narrow it down to one pivotal person who made a difference more than others? She is none other than Madam S. Kaveri. She is a very joyful, cheerful, and lights up my day. She is a person who cares and gives her utmost love to everyone. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate you to be enshrined into the Women's Icon Award. So wishing you all the very best and continue to shine brightly to every soul. Cheers.
I'd like to convey my best wishes to Women Icon who highlight the efficiency of women globally. Congratulations all the winners, especially Madam Kaveri. You've done a great job. Talk about her, she is a person who have a lot of unique character, unique quality, attract me in many ways. She's a very loving person, caring, responsibility, not only as a wife, also as my business partner. To me, she is my best friend, good advisor, and true giver. I can say she is a pillar of my success. She very much deserves for this award because being an entrepreneur, she have contributed a lot to the family, also society. Any task she involved, she always gives the best. Once again, I like to say congratulations to all the winners, all the achievers, and Madam Kaveri, God bless you always. All the best. Great. Thank you.
I face a lot of challenges in my life and fallbacks, but I decided to fall back on my faith in God, believe in myself, and moving forward. I always take in present moment and appreciate everything happens in my life. Every failed experience in life is the first step to success. I can accept fail, but not failure. The point is here, everybody have the talent to succeed in life, but do you have the guts to fail? If you don't experience fail, that means you never want to try anything new in life and you will never learn at all. My husband told me this great expression once: to get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. That was really an awesome motivation to me, that always to keep trying on new things. I always ask question in my life, how to get everything in life? And every time when I ask this question, I understand one thing, that I need to know who am I? What is my potential? What is my talent? What is my ability to do? Only when I understand who am I, then I think I'll be able to do better. There was a time I even asked within myself, who am I? My answer is, I am God's child. I have the blessing and greatness within me, and I can succeed in life. I've achieved in my career this far is with the grace of the divine and my husband's full cooperation and support. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my beloved husband, mentor, guru, friend and business partner, Dr. Ravi, who made me who I am today. My heartiest thanks to all my staffs, business partners, dealers and customers for their great contribution and support dedicated towards Jasa Care Sdn Bhd business. Thank you very much. And for all the women out there, my message to you is, be daring, be different and be dynamic. Thank you.